Welcome to Auto and Motor Insight, the ultimate destination for everything on wheels. From detailed car reviews to the latest industry updates, we've got you covered. If you love exploring the latest in automobiles and motorcycles, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Today we're diving into the exciting updates on the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. Let's get started. The Maruti Suzuki Wagon R has been a household name in India for decades, loved for its practicality, affordability, and iconic tallboy design. With the 2025 model, Maruti Suzuki has elevated its game, introducing a host of upgrades while staying true to its core strengths. Let's start with the engine options. The 2025 Wagon R offers two powertrains, a 1.0-liter K-Series engine and a 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine. These engines promise better fuel efficiency and a smoother driving experience, ideal for city commutes and highway journeys alike. For eco-conscious drivers, Maruti has also introduced a factory-fitted CNG variant, combining low emissions with exceptional mileage. On the outside, the 2025 Wagon R gets a modern refresh. It features a more dynamic design, highlighted by sharp LED headlamps, a bold grille, and newly designed alloy wheels. While maintaining its signature tall silhouette, the updated Wagon R looks sleeker and more stylish than ever before. The color options include some vibrant new shades, catering to those who want their car to reflect their personality. Inside, the cabin sees a significant upgrade. The dual-tone interiors feel more premium, while the seats offer improved cushioning for better comfort during long drives. The dashboard layout is ergonomic, with controls positioned for easy access. The centerpiece is the 7-inch Smart Play Pro infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, ensuring seamless connectivity and entertainment on the go. Maruti Suzuki has also prioritized safety in the 2025 Wagon R. The car comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-speed alert system as standard. The top variants add features like a rear-view camera and hill hold assist, making the Wagon R a safer choice for families and solo drivers alike. Practicality remains the Wagon R's strong suit, with ample legroom, headroom, and a boot space of 341 liters, perfect for weekend getaways or everyday errands. The 60/40 split folding rear seats add versatility, letting you create extra storage when needed. On the road, the Wagon R offers a smooth and stable ride. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic, while the updated suspension system enhances comfort. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or cruising on highways, the Wagon R feels confident and reliable. So that's a wrap on our review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. With its updated design, enhanced features, and efficient powertrains, it continues to be a compelling choice in the hatchback segment. What do you think of the new Wagon R? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto and Motor Insight for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.